Look, I have helped hundreds of Amazon FBA sellers scale their business. Everybody is doing the exact mistake I am going to share with you in today's video. Whether it is beginners, more advanced sellers, $10,000 a month, $50,000. Everybody is doing this mistake, and it's costing you hours, and this is why you are struggling to find more than 5 leads a day. That's why if you are your VAs, you don't have the systems in place, and this is why like you feel like it's great when your VAs finds 5 leads. It's not. It's not. Your system sucks, and this is what we're going to talk about today. And by the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of how to actually find a lot of leads daily when you source. So if you do not know me, my name is Mangunza. I've been putting videos to help you with your Amazon FBA business right here, you know, for a long time. Okay, so if you don't know me by now, you should actually subscribe to actually get those gems that I deliver to you right here on YouTube every single week, not every single day anymore. We're going to get back to that. And by the way, my socials right there. And as I said, I offer Amazon FBA coaching, right? We are full right now. If you see this video in the future, you can actually go and try to apply on www.scaling.com. The link is in the description. Right now we are full, okay? So don't come, right? Don't come. But eventually, whenever we have more space, we'll get you up. So the mistake that everybody makes when it comes to sourcing and when it comes to finding profitable online arbitrage product is that everybody try to do the stuff that is hard before they start to do the stuff that is easy. What do I mean by that? I'm going to tell you right now. So there's really easy ways to find products. There's really low hanging fruits that you can grab really easily every single day. But most people focus on super complicated strategies to find leads before they actually do the easy stuff, right? For example, you have some people that are going to say, hey, look, I'm going to use the Keeper Product Finder, export that, run that through to Tactical Expander. Then from Tactical Expander, I'm going to run it to Tactical Arbitrage. It's going to return me a lot of leads, all that stuff. You don't need to do all that. You can do that once you've exhausted all the easy things that you can do to find products, and there's a lot that you can do every day. I have a lot of videos on sourcing and on easy sourcing strategies, right? But like, there's no merit at making things harder than they should be. There's absolutely no merit. Nobody's going to give you more money if the way you actually found products is more sophisticated than the next guy, right? It's not about that. And for a lot of you guys, I feel like, you know, you try to be creative, you try to make it like, no, don't do that. You're not going to get paid more because you have a creative sourcing method. Just do the stuff that is easy. And one of the easiest things that you can do literally before you actually start sourcing is look at what you can actually replan. A lot of you guys are not even doing that. Why would you go and look for new leads to spend your money when you have proven opportunities right there sitting that you can replan today? Have you checked which product you can actually replan today? You haven't. So why are you trying to like jump through hoops to find products? These products that you found that you can replan, what are the people that are on these replans as well selling? Because if they are selling this product that you can replan, they may be selling products from the same source. But why do you want to go on the Keeper Product Finder or look up some random like weirdo search, like some geek search? Like, you don't need to be a geek about it. Like, and I know that a lot of people, whenever they like, you get too excited about this shit. Don't. Keep things easy. Yeah, do this nerd stuff like later. This Keeper Product Finder, like hidden stuff. Like, you set up corridor where you go, like, you don't need to do that shit. Like, stop being a weirdo. Stop acting like I don't know. You just want to like sniff your own thoughts, like look like an expert. You don't need to do that. Just keep it easy. Literally, just keep it easy. Look at what you can replan, and from these products that you can replan, what other leads can you find from that? Because you're going to replan, you're going to buy stuff from there, right? Like, literally what you can do is like add the stuff to cart, and on a lot of websites it's going to be prompted. Like, you're going to have like products that are going to show up, and it's going to say people who buy this product usually buy this as well. Guess what? I actually have a video on that, but guess what? That's an easy way to find products. And you're not doing all these easy things. If you're not doing all these easy things and you focus on the hard stuff, then guess what, genius? That's the reason why you take 10 hours and you don't find leads, because there are so many easy stuff that you can do that you don't do. That's literally it. Keep it easy. You just have to keep it easy. Keep it easy, and then little by little, step by step, go to the harder stuff, right? But if you can find 3 leads just by browsing like on stuff that you can replan and buying that, and you can spend $500 replenishing products, why don't you do that first before you actually go and like find some random products? Yes, you should still go and find new leads. But if there's $500 of proven opportunities that you can replan, then do it. Right? Because what a lot of you guys do is you find one product, you buy 100 units of it, and then you forget about it. First of all, you probably should not have bought 100 units on your first buy. No. That's the first thing. But you did, and then you forget about the lead altogether. Or like, are you dumb? Are you dumb stupid? Like, make it easy. Replan the stuff that you can replan. Look at the stuff that is often out of stock and just check if it's in stock every day. If it is, then it's easy products to actually buy. Storefront talk from these products that you buy to see if there's other products from the same website you can buy. And do this in that order. Before you actually like look up for coupons, like do all this weird shit. Like, no, stop doing that. Keep things easy. If you can spend $3,000 in a day doing that, why would you go and like make things hard? Just because you want to feel good about yourself? No. Get your job done as fast as possible and then go do some other shit. Right? Don't spend 10 hours sourcing if you can spend 1 hour working today and like actually max it out. Yes, you should still find other leads. But first, keep it easy. Don't make it hard. And I'm telling you, 99% of the people that I actually talk to, whenever they have issues sourcing, it's just because they make it too hard for nothing. Just keep it easy. You're selling a lot of Nike shoes. Guess what, genius? Look where you can actually find Nike shoes on sale, and look what models are on sale. But don't be like, yeah, let me go on the Keepa product finder. Let me go and try to find, like, I'm going to run this complicated search. Like, I'm going to use 20 filters. I'm going to stop acting like a geek. Stop doing this shit. There's no point in doing that. Keep things easy. And whenever you need to do stuff that's a little bit harder, then do it. But don't geek about shit that do not bring anything to you. Like, stop being a fucking weirdo. My God. I'll see you in the next one.